Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken Manchurian in a very simple and easy way, and to do that let's go ahead and start it. So for the chicken Manchurian, here I've got 500 grams of boneless chicken, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 whole egg. Now let's mix all this well together. Now let's keep this aside for 15 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes of marination, now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of corn flour, now I've already heated the oil in a pan and I'm going to fry the chicken piece by piece. Make sure you don't overcrowd them at time when frying. Now we'll fry this on a medium flame until golden brown, and to get this color of golden brown it takes about 4 to 5 minutes. As you see this, the color is perfectly good now, it's completely golden brown. I'm going to leave this aside and I'm going to start with the second batch to fry. So take a wok or a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. So here I am using 8 to 10 finely chopped garlic, 1 inch of finely chopped ginger. Let's stir fry this for 15 seconds. Now let's add 3 to 4 green chilies or red. Here I've got few of spring onion whites. I'm going to add 1 large onion. Now let's keep tossing this for another 30 seconds. I'm going to add a red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Now let's toss this again for another 30 seconds. Now I'm doing this whole process of frying on a high flame. Chinese food is all about that. When you do the cooking, everything has to be cooked on a high flame. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, here I'm using 4 tablespoons of ketchup. 1 tablespoon is this size, so I've added all in one. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now add 1 cup of water. Leave this on a medium flame and I'll go and prepare the slurry. So here we'll do the corn flour slurry first. As you've noticed, I've used 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and to that I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of water. So 1 equals to 3 for me. As you see, the bubbles are already coming up. So now we are going to add the slurry in here. Let's add the fried chicken piece and mix this all well together. I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of spring onion leaves on top, and our chicken Manchurian is ready. So friends, if you like my recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.